Hey, Matt here with Big Pine Sports, and a quick tech tip for you here. We are with the Can-Am Defenders, and one of the things that is the most overlooked is your tire pressure. Now back here in the back of the bed, this is going to have all of your tire pressure recommendations according to the weight that you are carrying in your machine. So that is something that you will want to check out. This is where you find it in the Defender, just right back here. Now, one of the things that a lot of people overlook or don't have in their machines is a simple tire pressure gauge. Now, there's two types of these. Well, actually, there's a lot of types of these, but there's one that's a low pressure, one that's a high pressure. Now, you want to look at what the recommendations are for your machine, and if there's one that's a higher pressure, meaning about 20 psi and above, get a high pressure gauge. If it's a lower one, get a low pressure gauge. But then you're going to come over to your tire and you're going to check your valve stem, which is right here. Obviously it'll be right there in your wheel. You're going to pull that off. You're going to check your tire pressure and adjust it accordingly. Now, if you are out on the trail and you want to air down, if you're going out through rock, sand, whatever it might be, drop it a little bit lower so you can get through that terrain, and then go back out on the road and pump it up. Just carry one of these little pumps. This will actually fit in the glove box. Now, if you're out on the trail and you happen to have a flat tire repair kit. This has got air in it. It has plugs in it, so you can plug your tire, fill it back up, and get you back over to the shop to get your tire fixed. So that's just one of the tech tips that we wanted to give you today. Again, with the Can-Am Defender. So you've got the Limited, you've got the Max, you've got, the HD9s, HD11, HD10. They are all back here in the back of the box on the Defender. So if there are questions or comments or recommendations that you would have when it comes to tire pressure for these machines, put those down in the comments below. Let us know what you think, and make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along, because we'll have a lot more coming up. I'm Matt out here at Big Pine Sports, and we'll see you in the next one.